What is AMFEIX? AMFEIX is a Bitcoin bank, a global full-reserve investment bank built on decentralized ledgers, from Fiat to Bitcoin to AMFEIX. Bitcoin is the base currency of the bank, and it is set to outperform all other traditional banks and be a safe haven for wealth. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator. And AMFEIX uses it for this exact reason. It can be sent from user to user on the Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries, meaning it is a completely unregulated, borderless currency of the people. It changes the way we bank, make transactions, and view money by making currency accessible to all. So, how does the Bitcoin ledger work? In the olden days, bankers would single-handedly log every transaction in a handbook manually. With Bitcoin's revolutionary blockchain technology, this is all done by a computer, thus making it completely secure and recorded with no room for manipulation. Bitcoin is the best-performing asset of the last decade. In 2010, you could purchase 333 Bitcoins for $1, which would now be worth over $2,900,000. It has proven impossible to hack as the encryption is the best in the world. No one has been able to hack Bitcoin because of its advanced blockchain technology. To put into perspective, a hack would involve generating fake transactions, but since they are fake, they wouldn't generate a solvable hash, meaning they would never be verified and so you would know. Bitcoin works by issuing your AMFEIX wallet with an address or QR code. They are used to identify who the owner of a particular amount of Bitcoin is. When a new AMFEIX wallet is created using a piece of software, an address is also randomly generated. How AMFEIX will help. AMFEIX has a great track record for over 3 years. It's the first Bitcoin bank in the world and the most profitable fund in the world as it hedges on Bitcoin. AMFEIX protects its users by keeping them as numbers and letters, also known as Bitcoin addresses. This way, everything is done on a personal and private basis. Importance of your seed keys. Seed keys are one of the most important things when protecting your account. A set of 12 words are used to not only protect your account, but also recover it if something were to happen. These keys are vital to your wallet's security, as you need them to link your wallet to the device you are using upon first logging in. Without these keys, you'll be locked out of your funds and will not be able to access them. No one wants that. So, for this very reason, it is always advised to write down your seeds in a safe place that you will not lose them. Nothing is worse than losing your money due to your negligence. So please keep your seed keys safe as they are more important than your passwords. Join AMFEIX today. Step 1. Make sure you have purchased and own Bitcoin, BTC. Step 2. Create your account by saving your seed keys safely and securely. Step 3. Scan the QR code or copy the address and send the Bitcoin, BTC, into your account. Step 4. Confirm your investment by clicking the button from the AMFEIX fund page. AMFEIX, a safe way to hedge into the future.